Oh yeah, what's up guys? This is a boy Dennis here again. Today I'm coming with a brand new video which is going to help you guys to start making money online. So in this video, I'm going to talk on how to start making money online as soon as possible. Today we are going to use the website called squishcard.com. This squishcard.com, this is a website number one that I'm going to show you guys, and show you the secret that you can use to start making money online. As you know, in this channel we talk about making money. If you're new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe, you like and share with your friend. As you know, we talk about making money online in this channel. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So in this website, what you have to do to get paid, first, this is a website that it has been existing starting from since 2007. It has been existing until now. So this is a legit, guys. This is a legit website that, as you can see here, they have more than 200,600 and 1,773 users. So as you can see, they have paid more than 300,000 49 and 955.98 US dollars since 2007. So guys, this is the legit website. So what do you have to do to start making money? As you can see, first of all, for you to start making money, make sure you have a PayPal account, or just open any bank account in your country through online, then you're good to go. But in this website, the goodness of this website, as you can see, they say all payments and rewards are sent next day completely fee free. So it means you don't have to pay any fee, which paying members around the world since 2007. So you get paid via people, eBay, Walmart, Amazon, Visa, Duo, Target, iTunes, which is Apple, and this CVS, Farmers, Bath, and many more. So what do you have to do for you to start getting paid? Firstly, make sure that you just put your email address, you put your username, and you put your password, and then make sure you click here, say remember me, and you're good to go. So in order to start making money in this website, first of all, they pay through do offers, which membership is always 100% free. To get paid to fill out free offers and take surveys. So you get paid via surveys, and they play games and sign up for free sites which are available inside, and also sign up for free trials which are available inside the website, and also earn cashback for online shopping. So you earn money in different ways in this website. That's what I like. And also there's another one, if you feel like this is boring on me, doing surveys, playing games, signing up to other websites. If you see that is boring and you don't want to waste much time, just make sure you go here where it's a refer friend. Make sure you refer to your friend, get the link, and they refer to your friends, and once they sign up and they take action through this website, you start getting money as soon as possible. So this is how you get money to this website. And also, this website is legit, as I said, 100% legit. This is the proof which I consider, which I would like you guys to go and view all these proofs so that you can see about this website, everything, so that you can see that is legit, or it can work for you too. This is the proof. These are people are making money in this website. So you can go through and check everything what you want, everything what you have to know, so that you can start making money as soon as possible. To start getting paid in this website, I said, you start, what you have to do is to click here, join, you put your email address, you put your username and password, then you're good to go. Simple as that. Thank you so much, guys. And also there's another website number 2 that I have prepared for you. The website number 2, it's called a rewarding survey. Rewarding surveys also is similar to the previous one. It's also this website. Also, you get paid through via PayPal, Amazon, Tango, and Bitcoin. For those people who are interested in making money using cryptocurrency, which I consider you have to, you can get paid also via Bitcoin and some other cryptocurrency. So what you have to do to get money, to start making money in this website, as you can see, you start doing surveys also in this web, and also there's multiple streams of income that you can use, you can start using to start making money. There's surveys, there's making money online, get paid today, work from home, and the free joining bonus. So there's a lot of ways also to start making money using this website. And this website, the thing that I like is recommended with a many of people. There's a good review about this website also. If you go to the pilot, trustpilot.com, this is a website that you can see if the website is legit or not, about people are reviewing. As you can see here, this is a website that we are talking about, rewardingways.com. As you can see, reviews from people, it's excellent, great. You see, this, as you can see, excellent got 84%, and the great is got 11%, the average is got 1%, which poor 1%, and bad 3%. So this is amazing. People like this website. People are giving great review about this website. As you can see, this guy here is called Izuku Midoriya. Iduku, what, I don't know. It is great. It's really great. It is really great. The best platform where I can give my opinion sincerely and get a reward for it. Very different from the others. They compare with it, the payment, and there are many ways to get reward, but only thing that hiring 100 me reader is the lack of surveys. Do not arrive in 2 days. So it means, yeah, you get paid you 100%, but they don't provide enough surveys in this website. But it is legit. But you can go through, since it's a legit and you are 100% to 100% sure to start making money, then you can go and start making money as soon as possible. Sign up. What you have to do is to go to the sign up and start making money as soon as possible. Just go here. First of all, complete online survey, earn cash, and gift card. As you can see, earn cash will reward you for completing paid surveys and online offers and redeem your cash using PayPal, Bitcoin, or Skrill and get paid the same day. So you get paid in 24 hours or less, and also you earn points, watch videos, take part in a paid trial and surveys, and offers to earn points, and free gift cards, and redeem your points for Tango gift cards, which can be used to a variety of non-retail such as Amazon, Starbucks, Nike, and many more. So this is the goodness. You can also watch a video here. There's a video which you can understand everything on how it works, 100% free, guys. So this is it. What you have to do is to click here where it say join, put your email address, put your details there, then you're good to go to start making money. This is a reviews about people who are here inside, who are members and who are making money using this website. So simple that. I hope, guys, you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe also. This, it really helps me with YouTube or algorithm to start making more videos about like this one every day. Thank you so much, guys, and see you in the next video. So bye bye.